Welcome, this is the second Mishnah and the second parak of Maschet Berakhot. Elu ben Apakim. So this is a continuation of last Mishnah. The last Mishnah I talked about someone asking regards if someone in the middle of the prayer, when he can answer and when he can't answer. So the first we have between paragraphs and in the middle of the paragraph. So now we're counting what's considered as between paragraph. Elu ben Apakim. This is considered between paragraph. Ben bracha rishona l'shniya, between the first blessing and the second blessing. Ben shniya l'shma, between the second blessing and Shema Israel. Ben shma levayim shamoa, ben the first paragraph of Shema to the second paragraph of Shema, that's vayim shamoa. Ben vayim shamoa levayomer, between vayim shamoa, the second paragraph of Shema to the third paragraph of Shema. Ben vayomer le'emet ve'yatziv, between the last paragraph of Shema to the last bracha of emet ve'yatziv. So here I have a siddur open, and you can see here this is the blessing of the morning, and this is the first bracha. So between the bracha will be if someone talks in this part after Yotzei HaMeorot. So this is the first between paragraphs. Second between paragraph will be here between Ahavat Olam and Shema Israel. Third will be between Ve'afta leVe'ayim Shamoa, and fourth will be between Vayim Shamoa leVayomer, and the fifth will be between Vayomer leVyatziv veNachon, and that will be the fifth between paragraph. What's considered between a paragraph? Rabbi Yehuda Omer Ben Vayomer leEmet veYatziv leHafsik. So the last one, he doesn't agree with that, so he doesn't count it as one. So if we go back to the siddur, so he says you can't stop between Ben Vayomer leEmet veYatziv. It's one paragraph. You should keep it all together. Amar Rabbi Yoshua ben Korcha, Velama kadma kirat Shema leVayim Shamoa. What's the reason Shema Israel is in this order? In the Torah, it's not this order. So he's asking, what's the reason it's in this order, that the first thing we have is Shema Israel, and then we have Vayim Shamoa, and then we have Vayomer. So what's the reason the first paragraph is first? Ela kedei shikabel alav ol malchut shamayim tchila. So the first thing he will do is say Shema Israel, and then he agrees and take up on himself God's appearance in the world, and then achar kach yikabel alav ol mitzvot, and then he gets the obligation to do all the mitzvahs that they're more mentioned in Vayim Shamoa. And Vayim Shamoa leVayomer, what's the reason Vayim Shamoa is before Vayomer? Shevayim Shamoa noeg ben bayom uben balayla. Vayim Shamoa, the second paragraph, is mitzvahs that they are also in the day and also in the night. And Vayomer no noeg ela bayom. Vayomer, it's mitzvahs tzitzis, and we know tzitzis says ureitem oto, when you see it, and we say when you see it, it means daytime. So in daytime, so it's only in the daytime. Thank you for watching and enjoy.